How you doing? I'm Joe Plowman from Plowmans Windows and Doors in Millville. We're on 118 East Vine Street. We're doing a house here where you're going to see a whole video on the process of removing your siding. Once the siding's down and marked, they're going to take the window out. We cut back the jambs, tape the windows up, Tyvek, back seal these windows, and everything has to go back onto the house after it's done. This is a lot more detailed, and a lot of people are not aware of the difference between putting these in these homes this way versus what they refer to as pocket sleeving. Pocket sleeving is removing your window, sliding a window in, bend a piece of metal to hide it, and go. That is not the proper way to put a window in as far as I'm concerned. We spent a lot of time today making up a video for you, and I hope you enjoy it. We're showing you here, basically, this is one of the original windows before it was touched as far as siding. This is basically a before shot, so you can actually see the window. And you can see the J channels on the window. This is about to be stripped for you. Okay, what he's doing now is he's using a siding unlocking tool, and he's unlocking the siding. You got to at least unlock a row above the window in order to get the window out. You're watching a measure from the window to the siding. When he puts the other window in, he wants the other window to wind up right back where that window is, so we don't have a problem with siding not fitting when we're done. At this part now, as you can see, the window's out. He's making sure everything around the opening is smooth. And this part now is waiting for the cutting of the drywall and the sills. Okay, we're getting ready to cut this window. I'm going to get completely out of the way. This is the main process to the window because our windows do come in approximately, this one here looks about 7/8 of an inch. And if you don't cut that back, you're not going to have a good fit on the window. Okay, we're now onto a different window, and you can see the tape is on this window. He's actually got a small shim that he actually puts in the corner of each window. We want our windows to float in the middle. These boards can warp and they push up on the windows. This actually gives us some room. If something happens later, we can actually unnail the window and pull it down. He's applying silicone to the side jambs, and it's not a lot, and all the purpose of that is he's going to actually put some insulation around there. Okay, he's applying silicone around the nail flange of this window. He goes completely around the window with this. This is a factory fused nail fin. This is not an applied nail fin. And he's also going to do an inner seal. That helps with the insulation once he gets this bead all the way around. Okay, now you can see they're pushing the window into the opening. And he's making sure that the insulation that he put, the silicone around the window, is actually being stayed into the jamb by pushing it back on the inside. He will place a screw in every one of these holes around the window. Every hole has to be done according to manufacturer specification. These windows were custom made for this house. These aren't stock windows that you just pick up off a shelf. And again, we're heating it up to make sure we got a good contact. And if you look at what you've seen so far, you've seen the prep of the opening. You've seen them seal and put insulation in. You've seen them back seal the vinyl window and screw it in place. You've seen the tape applied and the tape. Now, basically, if you're looking at this, there's no way you're getting air through this. It's just not going to happen. Okay, you're getting to see them finish these windows up with the siding. All this siding is the original siding. It's gone back. Everything's gone back on the marks that were there from the original siding. And you got this row here and one more row to do. This is finished up. The last thing they'll do is wipe this down. And it's finished outside cleaning the glass. The glass gets cleaned, the stickers are removed and given to the homeowner, and then the inside gets sealed to the drywall. Okay, we want to thank you for watching this video we made today. Again, we're Plowmans Windows and Doors, located at 118 East Vine Street in Millville. Our store hours are Monday through Friday. We're 8 to 5, Saturdays 9 to 1. We do make nighttime appointments, which you can call. We have a full-size showroom there for you. It's staffed real well. We have 3 people in the showroom at all times. Stop by, just go in there and check out the windows. You can operate them. They're all full size. We go out to your house. We don't do any obligation to come out and measure your windows. We come out, measure, leave, and your prices are called back into you. We don't do any in-home contracts. We make your shopping life easy.